Are pests invading your home and garden, but you don't want to spray toxic chemicals everywhere? What if I told you one simple natural product could fight back against ants, aphids, cockroaches, fleas, and even ticks? That's right. Today I'm showing you 12 powerful ways to get rid of common pests using something you might already have in your home, Castile soap. It's natural, biodegradable, and surprisingly effective. Let's dive in. 1. Aphids. Aphids are tiny, soft-bodied insects that feed on plant sap, weakening your plants and spreading disease. They multiply rapidly and often cluster on new growth, causing curled, yellowing leaves and stunted development. Using Castile soap is a safe, natural, and effective way to control aphids without harming beneficial insects or the environment. To get rid of them, mix 1 tablespoon of liquid Castile soap with 1 liter of water in a spray bottle. Shake well and spray the solution directly onto the affected areas, paying special attention to the undersides of leaves where aphids hide. The soap dissolves the protective coating on their bodies, causing them to dehydrate and die. Apply in the early morning or evening to avoid leaf burn, and repeat every few days until the infestation is under control. 2. Fleas. Fleas are persistent, blood-sucking pests that can infest pets, homes, and yards, causing discomfort and allergic reactions in both animals and humans. Getting rid of them quickly is essential to prevent a full-blown infestation. Castile soap offers a natural, non-toxic solution that's safe for pets and people when used properly. To kill fleas, create a flea bath by mixing a few drops of liquid Castile soap into warm water and thoroughly lathering it into your pet's fur, avoiding the eyes and ears. Let the lather sit for a few minutes before rinsing. This allows the soap to break down the flea's exoskeletons, killing them on contact. You can also use a diluted Castile soap spray, about 1 tablespoon per quart of water, to treat pet bedding, carpets, and upholstery. Always rinse thoroughly and consult your veterinarian before using any new product on your pet, especially if they have sensitive skin or medical conditions. 3. Cockroaches. Cockroaches are resilient pests that can spread disease, trigger allergies, and contaminate food, making them unwelcome guests in any home. Castile soap provides a natural, non-toxic way to kill cockroaches on contact without resorting to harsh chemicals. The soap works by suffocating the roaches and breaking down their waxy outer coating, causing dehydration. To use it, mix 1 tablespoon of liquid Castile soap with 1 liter of water in a spray bottle. Shake well and spray directly onto any cockroaches you see, especially in kitchens, bathrooms, and other hiding spots. For extra effectiveness, add a few drops of peppermint or tea tree essential oil. Both are natural roach repellents. While Castile soap won't eliminate a large infestation on its own, it's a safe and effective tool for controlling small numbers and repelling future visitors when combined with good sanitation and sealing entry points. 4. Mice. Mice are destructive pests that can chew through wires, contaminate food, and spread harmful diseases. While Castile soap won't kill mice directly, it can be used as a natural deterrent thanks to its strong scent, especially when combined with essential oils like peppermint, which mice dislike. To repel mice, mix 1 tablespoon of liquid Castile soap with a few drops of peppermint essential oil in 1 cup of water and shake well. Spray this mixture around entry points, baseboards, under sinks, and anywhere you've seen signs of mouse activity. The strong scent helps mask food odors and creates an unpleasant environment that encourages mice to stay away. Reapply every few days or after cleaning to maintain its effectiveness. While Castile soap alone won't solve a serious infestation, it can be a helpful part of a broader mouse control strategy that includes sealing entry points, removing food sources, and using traps. 5. Pigeons. Pigeons can be a major nuisance, leaving behind droppings that damage property, spread disease, and attract other pests. While Castile soap won't harm pigeons directly, it can be used as a natural, humane deterrent when applied to surfaces they frequently perch on. The soap makes ledges, railings, and other flat surfaces slick and uncomfortable for pigeons to land on, encouraging them to move elsewhere. To use it, mix Castile soap with a bit of water to create a thick, slippery solution, and apply it with a sponge or cloth to the areas where pigeons roost. Reapply after rain or cleaning to maintain the effect. For added deterrence, mix in a few drops of peppermint or citrus essential oil, scents pigeons tend to avoid. While not a permanent fix, this method can be an effective part of a multi-pronged pigeon control strategy that includes physical barriers, visual deterrence, and eliminating food sources. 6. Ants. Ants may be small, but they can quickly become a big problem as they invade homes in search of food and water. They leave scent trails for other ants to follow, making infestations grow rapidly if not addressed. Castile soap offers a natural and effective way to kill ants on contact and erase their scent trails to prevent future invasions. To use it, mix 1 tablespoon of liquid Castile soap with about 1 liter of water in a spray bottle. Shake well and spray directly on ants and along their entry points, trails, and nesting areas. The soap disrupts their outer membranes, killing them quickly, while also removing the chemical trails they leave behind. For added repellent power, include a few drops of peppermint or tea tree essential oil. Scents ants dislike. Regular use around windows, doors, and cracks can help keep your home ant-free without the use of toxic chemicals. 7. Ticks. Ticks are dangerous parasites that feed on blood and can transmit serious illnesses like Lyme disease to both humans and pets. Removing and repelling them is essential, especially during warm months when ticks are most active. While Castile soap won't kill ticks instantly, it can help safely remove them from skin and fur and act as a natural repellent when combined with essential oils. To help remove ticks from pets, mix a few drops of liquid Castile soap with warm water and lather it into your pet's fur, focusing on areas where ticks are hiding. The slippery soap helps loosen the tick's grip, making removal easier. For tick prevention, mix 1 tablespoon of Castile soap with 1 liter of water and add a few drops of tick-repelling essential oils like eucalyptus, citronella, or lavender. Spray the mixture onto clothing, shoes, and exposed skin, or lightly on your pet's coat. Avoid eyes and mouth. Always consult your vet before applying anything to your pet, especially if they have sensitive skin. 8. Spider mites. Spider mites are tiny pests that feed on plant sap, causing speckled yellowing leaves, webbing, and overall plant decline. They reproduce quickly, especially in hot, dry conditions, and can be hard to spot until damage is severe. Castile soap is an effective, natural solution to control spider mites without resorting to harsh chemicals. It works by breaking down the mite's outer coating, leading to dehydration and death. To treat an infestation, mix 1 tablespoon of liquid Castile soap with 1 liter of water in a spray bottle. Shake well and spray the solution directly onto the affected plant, making sure to cover the undersides of leaves where spider mites hide and lay eggs. Apply every few days until the infestation is under control, and mist the plant regularly to increase humidity, which discourages spider mites from returning. 9. Caterpillars. Caterpillars may look harmless, but in large numbers they can quickly defoliate plants, chewing through leaves, flowers, and even fruits. While some caterpillars turn into beneficial pollinators like butterflies, others are destructive garden pests that can stunt plant growth or destroy crops. Castile soap offers a gentle, natural method to control caterpillars without harming the environment. To use it, mix 1 tablespoon of liquid Castile soap with about 1 liter of water in a spray bottle. Shake well and spray directly onto caterpillars and the leaves they're feeding on. The soap solution coats their bodies, disrupting their protective outer layer and making it difficult for them to breathe, eventually leading to death. Be sure to spray early in the morning or late in the evening to avoid harming beneficial insects and prevent leaf burn. Repeat every few days until the infestation is under control, and always monitor your plants to avoid unintentionally harming beneficial species. 10. Earwigs. Earwigs are nocturnal insects that feed on plant leaves, flowers, and even soft fruits, leaving behind ragged holes and damage that can harm young or delicate plants. While they also eat decaying matter and some pests, large populations can quickly become a problem in gardens and around homes. Castile soap offers a safe, natural way to kill earwigs on contact and deter them from returning. To make a spray, mix 1 tablespoon of liquid Castile soap with about 1 liter of water in a spray bottle. Shake well and apply directly to earwigs when you see them, especially around garden beds, mulch, and damp hiding spots. The soap disrupts their outer shells, causing them to dehydrate and die. You can also spray areas where earwigs are likely to hide during the day, such as under pots, rocks, or garden debris. Repeat every few days or after rain to keep them under control. 11. Bacteria. Bacteria can accumulate on hands, surfaces, produce, and household items, potentially leading to illness or contamination. Using Castile soap is an effective, natural way to reduce bacteria without harsh chemicals. Made from plant-based oils, Castile soap works by binding with dirt and microbes, lifting them off surfaces so they can be rinsed away. To clean hands or surfaces, simply dilute a few drops of liquid Castile soap in warm water and scrub thoroughly. Friction and rinsing are key to removing bacteria effectively. For disinfecting household items, mix 1 tablespoon of Castile soap with about 1 liter of water, apply with a cloth or sponge, then rinse clean. While Castile soap doesn't kill bacteria like chemical disinfectants, it physically removes them, making it a safe and eco-friendly option for everyday cleaning and hygiene. 12. Mold. Mold is a common household problem that thrives in damp, humid environments, causing unpleasant odors, staining surfaces, and potentially triggering allergies or respiratory issues. Castile soap offers a natural, non-toxic way to help remove mold and prevent its return without harsh chemicals. To use it, mix 1 tablespoon of liquid Castile soap with 1 cup of water in a spray bottle. Spray the affected area generously and scrub with a brush or sponge to break up the mold and lift it from surfaces like walls, tiles, or bathroom fixtures. Rinse thoroughly with clean water and dry the area well to discourage mold regrowth. For tougher mold, you can add a small amount of white vinegar to the solution for extra cleaning power. Regular cleaning with Castile soap can help keep mold at bay while being safe for your family and the environment. So there you have it, 12 ways to kick pests out of your home and garden using just one safe natural product. Whether it crawls, bites, or clings to your plants, Castile soap has your back. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more natural pest control and gardening tips. Got a pest we didn't mention? Drop it in the comments and I'll let you know if Castile soap can help. See you in the next video on Dawn Dish Soap, the ultimate pest control. And until then, stay pest-free, naturally.